Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the icon image of any folder or file on your Mac. This will work whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or any other Apple computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start with, locate the image you want to use as the icon and double-click it to open it in the Preview app. In the Preview app, click Edit from the top toolbar and then click Select All. Now click Edit again and this time select Copy. Head over to the folder you want to edit now. Click it once to highlight it. If you have enabled right-click, then right-click it and select Get Info. Or else click the File button from the top left toolbar and then select Get Info. Click the folder icon at the top of the File Info page. Now click Edit again from the toolbar and this time select Paste. This will change the file icon to the image that we copied a minute ago. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.